Hey y'all, it's your girl Shugs and I am back with another video. Hey girl, hey. So I'm not showing y'all my face because my wig is on the table. Okay? So if you follow me on social media, then you know that your girl bought her first house. Yeah, okay? I wanted to show y'all a empty house tour, but the way my week has been set up, I am like very overwhelmed. So I'm just gonna show y'all like a tour of when I get like my initial stuff put in. And I do have like a video. It's real dusty over there. I do have like a video of the house when I first bought it before I got it painted on and all of that. So I will insert a clip of that walkthrough in now. Yeah, I'm just packing. The way I pack is I kind of just throw stuff in bags. Like these are clothes or sheets and stuff like that. Or like random boxes. Yeah, so I will check back in with you guys later. It is 11:57. I have some friends coming to help me move around 1:30. Hopefully it only takes a couple of hours. But I will check back in with y'all later tonight. All right, y'all. So all moved in. It's late. It is 9:24. Well, I guess it's really not that late, but I've been up since I didn't go to sleep last night till probably close to 2 o'clock. And then I got up again at 6. And then have pretty much been up all day. I took like a really quick nap, like a 1-hour nap. But I couldn't really sleep because my mind just wouldn't stop because I just felt like there was something that I could be doing. So, you know, your girl got an alarm. Okay, period. So let me give y'all a mini, like a really quick tour. I think I'm about to try to put my bed together really quickly. But your girl is tired. I don't even feel like really, cleaning. Well, I had a cleaning service come out, and like clean everything for me, but I was gonna, you know, go back over it. But, I don't even feel like doing that tonight. So I may just have to take me like a little whole bath or something. This hair looks a mess because I'm sweated it out. I'm all like sticky. But yeah, let me show you this tour really quickly. So when you first walk in from the garage, this is what you see, okay? I am getting new appliances. I have a new dishwasher, stainless steel dishwasher coming on Monday. I'm going to replace these when I get my money back together because in the past week, I probably spent like $3,000 on doing stuff. I also want to update the sink, but again, got to get my money together. It came with this nice little what you gonna call it, fridge. So yeah, love that for me. Dining area, I'm gonna put like a little bar nook right there. Linen closet. I'm gonna make this my little coffee area. And then you walk over this way. Don't know what that goes to. Walk over this way, and then you have the living room. It has archways. That's an area for the TV. Don't mind this. This is a TV that I had in my apartment, obviously, but it's messed up. I have to get a new one. But it's not like a priority right now. But I'm gonna have to downsize anyways because I don't think that TV would fit in here. And then I'm probably going to sell this little TV stand. Gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings. I'm going to replace all the fans at some point because they're all white and I just don't really care for them. Yeah, this is a sectional. Obviously, I just have to put it together. But I literally we just moved. I just dropped the U-Haul off and came back home. Then we'll just walk this way. Okay, then laundry, guest bath, linen closet, and then a guest bedroom, which it's primarily going to be an office, but I'm going to get like a futon or day bed. I've seen this really nice futon chair. Like it sits up like a cute chair, but then it kind of like unravels like a twin size futon. I'm probably going to get that, and then, but it's primarily going to be an office. I'm gonna put a desk in here, etc. And then it has a closet, a really nice size closet for a guest. This is primarily probably going to be my shoe closet is what I'm thinking. Okay. And then making your way to this side is my room. That's the back door, but I just did the alarm, so we're just gonna leave that. So my bedroom, I'm about to put my bed together really quickly. Like just finish screwing that and do the mattresses because I'm tired. Dresser, I think I want to switch where it currently is. How is it already dirty? Okay. Okay. And then I can't really get in the bathroom right this second. Bathroom. Tub, it has jets in it. Really nice shower head, but it's like dirty. It's like hard water stains. Hopefully I can get those out. And then where the painter came in and painted, so he like stepped all on this, so need to clean that, but don't feel like doing it tonight. Closet. Ew, that looks disgusting. Yeah, that looks nasty. Have not used that yet and it looks like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I made sure to get paint that was like I could clean it. So hopefully I could just take like a magic eraser and that'll come off, but we'll see. And I kind of made it worse because I like wiped it or something, but just fingers crossed. So yeah, like I said, about to do this bed really quickly. And then I am about to go to sleep because I'm tired. And then I will check back in with y'all tomorrow. When I kind of just get a little bit more situated. I'm going to do separate vlogs for like when I put together my bathroom and when I organize my closet and stuff like that. I'm going to do separate vlogs for that because when I film the really long like week in my life, it just be a little too much and I get a little too overwhelmed. So, yeah, so we'll check back in with y'all tomorrow. So, allergies kicking my butt today because my dusting routine sucks. As you can probably hear in my voice, I currently in a bonnet or a headscarf, so we're not going to put my face in it again. But I just took 2 Benadryl, so hopefully I go to sleep pretty soon, and when I get up, I feel better and I can continue kind of unpacking. Internet is not currently working, so they can't come out until Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so I'm on my hotspot right now on my Fire Stick, so hopefully my data doesn't start acting stupid, but I have my limited, girl, you know, so. But just watching some YouTube, watching Kyra right now, and yeah.